The enthralling world of biology. Have you ever marveled at the intricate dance of a butterfly, the towering majesty of a redwood tree, or the awe-inspiring complexity of the human body? These are just a few examples of the breathtaking diversity of life on Earth, a diversity that biology, the scientific study of living things, strives to understand. But biology delves much deeper than mere observation. It seeks to unravel the intricate processes that govern life, from the molecular dance within cells to the delicate balance of ecosystems. It's a captivating journey of discovery, a quest to unveil the secrets hidden within the tapestry of life. Defining biology, the science of life and its processes. So, what exactly is biology? In its simplest form, it's the scientific exploration of all living organisms, from the tiniest one-celled bacteria to the colossal blue whale. It encompasses everything from the structure and function of individual cells to the complex interactions between organisms and their environment. But biology doesn't just describe life, it seeks to explain it. It explores the fundamental principles that govern life's processes, such as growth, reproduction, adaptation, and energy flow. It delves into the mechanisms that allow organisms to survive in a constantly changing world, from the microscopic immune system battling pathogens within our bodies to the majestic migrations of birds across continents. The grand scope, exploring life from microbes to ecosystems. The scope of biology is truly immense. It encompasses a mind-boggling array of living organisms, each with its own unique story to tell. At one end of the spectrum, we find the microscopic world of bacteria and archaea, single-celled organisms that have thrived on Earth for billions of years. These seemingly simple creatures play a vital role in ecosystems, from breaking down organic matter to forming the foundation of food webs in the oceans. As we move up in size and complexity, we encounter the awe-inspiring diversity of multicellular organisms. From the vibrant coral reefs teeming with life to the towering giants of the rainforest, each ecosystem pulsates with a unique blend of plants, animals, and microorganisms. Biology explores the intricate relationships between these organisms, from the symbiotic partnerships between fungi and plants to the fierce competition between predators and prey. The study of biology doesn't stop at individual organisms or ecosystems. It also delves into the larger questions about life's origins and evolution. How did life arise on Earth? How have organisms changed and adapted over time? These are questions that have captivated scientists for centuries, and biology provides the tools and techniques to unravel these mysteries. C. Why study biology? Unveiling the significance of this science. But why study biology? Is it just an academic pursuit for curious minds? In fact, the study of biology has far-reaching implications for almost every aspect of human existence. From the medications we take to combat diseases to the foods we eat and the clothes we wear, our lives are profoundly affected by the principles of biology. Understanding the workings of the human body is the foundation of modern medicine. Biological research has led to the development of life-saving vaccines, antibiotics, and countless other treatments that enhance our health and well-being. Additionally, advancements in our understanding of plant and animal biology have revolutionized agriculture, leading to improved crop yields and more sustainable farming practices. Beyond these immediate applications, biology plays a crucial role in addressing some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity today. Climate change, habitat loss, and the emergence of new infectious diseases are all issues that require a deep understanding of the natural world. By studying biology, we can develop informed solutions to these challenges and safeguard our planet for future generations. In conclusion, biology is far more than just a collection of facts about living organisms. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving field of study that seeks to unravel the mysteries of life. From the microscopic marvels within our cells to the breathtaking diversity of ecosystems, the world of biology offers a journey of discovery that is both intellectually stimulating and deeply relevant to our lives. This introductory exploration has merely scratched the surface of this captivating science. As we delve deeper into the world of biology, we'll embark on a journey to understand the building blocks of life, explore the interconnectedness of living organisms, and unlock the secrets of the scientific method, the powerful tool that will guide us in our exploration of the wonders of life. Unveiling the diversity of life, a biological expedition. The tapestry of life on Earth is an exquisite display of intricate forms and remarkable adaptations. Biology unveils this breathtaking diversity by venturing into the microscopic world of single-celled organisms, scaling the heights of towering redwoods, and diving into the vibrant coral reefs teeming with life. This vast expedition unveils not only the incredible variety of living things, but also the underlying principles that govern their existence. Exploring the spectrum of life, from microscopic bacteria to towering whales. Imagine a world invisible to the naked eye, a world where single-celled organisms reign supreme. This is the realm of bacteria and archaea, microscopic powerhouses that have thrived on Earth for billions of years. These seemingly simple creatures come in a bewildering array of shapes and sizes, some with whip-like flagella for propulsion, others forming intricate biofilms that cling to surfaces. Despite their tiny size, bacteria play a vital role in ecosystems. They act as decomposers, breaking down dead organic matter and returning nutrients back into the soil. Some bacteria form symbiotic relationships with plants, helping them fix nitrogen from the atmosphere, a crucial element for growth. These microbial marvels not only underpin ecosystems, but also hold the key to countless biological processes, from the fermentation of wine to the breakdown of pollutants in the environment. As we move up in size and complexity, we encounter the awe-inspiring world of multicellular organisms. From the delicate wings of a butterfly to the intricate network of roots anchoring a giant redwood, multicellular life showcases a remarkable diversity in form and function. Plants, the cornerstone of most ecosystems, capture sunlight through photosynthesis, transforming it into energy that fuels the food web. Animals, from the nimble gazelles of the savanna to the lumbering elephants of the forest, have evolved intricate adaptations to survive in a variety of environments. They possess specialized organs for movement, feeding, and reproduction, allowing them to interact with their surroundings in complex ways. The ocean, covering over 70% of Earth's surface, is a vast realm teeming with life. From the bioluminescent wonders of the deep sea to the playful dolphins frolicking in the waves, marine life showcases a remarkable diversity. Microscopic plankton forms the base of the ocean food chain, while larger predators like sharks and whales navigate the vast expanse of water. Coral reefs, bustling underwater cities with a kaleidoscope of colors, are hotspots of biodiversity, providing shelter and sustenance for countless marine creatures. Each organism, from the tiniest shrimp to the mighty whale shark, plays a unique role in maintaining the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem. The building blocks of life, understanding the structures that make up organisms. The diversity of life on Earth is based on a remarkably common set of building blocks, cells. These microscopic units are the fundamental units of life. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, but all share a basic structure with a membrane enclosing a fluid interior filled with specialized structures called organelles. Each organelle has a specific function, like the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell that generates energy, or the ribosomes, the protein factories that synthesize essential molecules. Within cells, the blueprint for life resides in the form of deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, the molecule that carries the genetic instructions for an organism. DNA dictates the structure and function of proteins, the workhorses of the cell that carry out a multitude of tasks. The incredible diversity of life ultimately stems from variations in the DNA sequences of different organisms. By studying these variations, biologists can decode the evolutionary history of life and understand how organisms have adapted to their environments. C. Survival and reproduction, delving into life's mechanisms for continuity. One of the defining characteristics of life is the ability to reproduce. This ensures the continuation of a species and the transmission of genetic information from one generation to the next. Reproduction can occur in a variety of ways. Asexual reproduction, where a single parent produces offspring that are genetically identical, is a rapid and efficient method of reproduction. Bacteria and many single-celled organisms utilize this method. Sexual reproduction, on the other hand, involves the fusion of gametes, sex cells, from two parents, resulting in offspring with a unique combination of genes. This allows for greater genetic diversity, which can be advantageous in a changing environment. Survival is another fundamental requirement for life. Organisms have evolved a variety of adaptations to ensure their survival and reproduction. These adaptations can be structural, such as the thick fur of polar bears that helps them withstand the harsh Arctic climate, or behavioral, such as the migration of birds across continents in search of food and breeding grounds. Organisms also possess complex defense mechanisms to protect themselves from predators and pathogens. The human immune system, for instance, is a sophisticated network of cells and molecules that fights off disease-causing organisms. D. The interconnected web, examining the delicate balance within ecosystems. No organism exists in isolation. All living things are interconnected within ecosystems, a dynamic web of interactions between organisms and their environment. These interactions range from symbiotic partnerships to fierce competition, all contributing to the delicate balance that sustains an ecosystem. One of the most fundamental interactions within ecosystems is the flow of energy. Sunlight, captured by plants through photosynthesis, forms the base of this energy pyramid. Herbivores then consume plants, transferring the energy up the food chain. Carnivores, in turn, prey on herbivores, further passing on the energy. Decomposers, like fungi and bacteria, break down dead organisms and return nutrients back to the soil, completing the cycle. This flow of energy ensures that all organisms within an ecosystem have access to the resources they need to survive. Another critical aspect of ecosystem function is the cycling of nutrients. Essential elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and carbon are constantly cycled between living organisms and the environment. Decomposers play a vital role in this process by breaking down dead organic matter and releasing nutrients back into the soil, where they can be taken up by plants. This continuous cycling ensures that these essential elements are available for all members of the ecosystem. Competition is another driving force within ecosystems. Organisms often compete for resources such as food, water, and shelter. This competition can lead to adaptations that enhance an organism's ability to survive and reproduce. For example, lions are apex predators with keen eyesight and powerful muscles, adaptations that enable them to hunt successfully in the savanna. Symbiotic relationships, where two or more organisms live in close association and benefit from each other, are another important aspect of ecosystem function. There are various types of symbiotic relationships, including mutualism, where both organisms benefit, commensalism, where one organism benefits while the other is neither harmed nor helped, and parasitism, where one organism benefits by harming another. Mycorrhizal fungi, for instance, form a mutualistic relationship with plant roots, helping them absorb nutrients from the soil in exchange for sugars produced by the plant through photosynthesis. The delicate balance within an ecosystem can be disrupted by human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and overexploitation of resources. When this happens, the consequences can be far-reaching. The loss of a single species can have a cascading effect, impacting other organisms within the food chain. Habitat destruction can lead to the decline of biodiversity and disrupt the vital flow of energy and cycling of nutrients. Understanding these interconnected relationships within ecosystems is crucial for developing sustainable practices for managing our planet's resources. Unveiling origins and adaptations, discovering life's beginnings and its diverse forms. The question of how life arose on Earth remains one of the great mysteries of biology. However, scientists have made significant progress in unraveling the story of life's origins. Evidence suggests that life likely emerged in the oceans billions of years ago, from simple organic molecules that combined to form self-replicating structures. Over time, these primitive organisms evolved into the diverse array of life forms we see today. The theory of evolution by natural selection, proposed by Charles Darwin and Alfred Wallace, provides a powerful explanation for the diversity of life on Earth. According to this theory, organisms with heritable traits that give them a survival and reproductive advantage are more likely to pass these traits on to their offspring. Over generations, these advantageous traits become more common within a population, leading to gradual change and adaptation. Evolution has resulted in a remarkable diversity of life forms, each with unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in specific environments. From the heat-resistant bacteria that thrive in hot springs to the cold-adapted penguins that survive the harsh Antarctic winter, organisms have evolved mechanisms to cope with a wide range of environmental challenges. By studying the fossil record, the distribution of species across the globe, and the genetic relationships between organisms, biologists can reconstruct the evolutionary history of life. This knowledge allows us to understand how organisms have changed and adapted over time, and how these changes have shaped the diverse tapestry of life on Earth. In conclusion, Part 2 of our exploration of biology has unveiled the breathtaking diversity of life on Earth. From the microscopic world of bacteria to the towering giants of the rainforest, each organism plays a unique role within the intricate web of interactions that defines an ecosystem. By understanding the building blocks of life, the mechanisms for survival and reproduction, and the forces that drive evolution and adaptation, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonder and complexity of the living world. The power of knowledge. Why understanding life matters. Biology is far more than just a collection of fascinating facts about animals and plants. It's a powerful tool that has revolutionized our understanding of the world around us and profoundly impacted almost every aspect of human existence. So, why is understanding life so important? Let's delve into the far-reaching implications of this captivating science. Beyond curiosity, unveiling the real-world applications of biology. The pursuit of knowledge for its own sake is a noble endeavor, but biology offers much more than mere intellectual stimulation. Its applications extend far beyond the walls of a laboratory, influencing everything from the medicines we take to the food we eat and the clothes we wear. 1. Medical marvels. Advancing healthcare through biological understanding. Our understanding of the human body, its intricate systems, and the mechanisms of disease is rooted in the principles of biology. From the identification of pathogens that cause infectious diseases to the development of life-saving vaccines and antibiotics, biology has played a pivotal role in revolutionizing healthcare. The study of genetics has led to breakthroughs in gene therapy, offering hope for the treatment of previously incurable genetic disorders. Advances in cell biology have paved the way for organ transplantation and stem cell therapy, offering the potential to regenerate damaged tissues and organs. Biology continues to push the boundaries of medical science, constantly seeking new ways to diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. 2. Bountiful harvests. Utilizing biological knowledge for sustainable agriculture. Food security is a critical concern for the world's ever-growing population. Here, too, biology plays a vital role. Plant biology helps us understand the growth and development of crops, allowing us to develop improved varieties that are more resistant to pests and diseases. This ensures higher yields and contributes to food security. Furthermore, advancements in our understanding of soil fertility and microbial communities within the soil lead to more sustainable agricultural practices. By harnessing the power of beneficial microbes and utilizing genetic engineering to create crops with improved nutritional value, biology is contributing to a future where everyone has access to safe and nutritious food. 3. Conservation champions, protecting biodiversity through biological understanding. The Earth's biodiversity is under immense pressure from habitat loss, climate change, and human activities. Biology equips us with the knowledge and tools necessary to protect this precious resource. Studying the ecology and behavior of different species allows us to identify areas of critical habitat and develop conservation strategies. Understanding the interconnectedness of ecosystems helps us predict the consequences of human actions and implement sustainable practices. Biology also aids in the development of techniques for captive breeding and reintroduction programs, offering hope for the recovery of endangered species. 4. Human behavior decoded, linking biology to our understanding of ourselves. Biology doesn't just help us understand the world outside us, it also sheds light on who we are as humans. The field of neuroscience explores the intricate workings of the brain, helping us understand emotions, memory, and learning. This knowledge has applications in education, psychology, and even criminal justice. The study of human genetics and evolution provides insights into our past and helps us understand the biological basis of human behavior. By exploring the interplay between genes and environment, biologists are unraveling the complex factors that shape who we are and how we interact with the world. B. Tackling challenges, addressing vital issues with a biological lens. We live in a world facing unprecedented challenges, from climate change and infectious diseases to food security and resource depletion. Addressing these challenges requires a deep understanding of the natural world, which is precisely what biology offers. 1. Climate change solutions, mitigating environmental impact through biological knowledge. Climate change is arguably the most pressing issue facing humanity today. Biology plays a crucial role in developing solutions to this crisis. Understanding the biological effects of greenhouse gases and the impact of climate change on ecosystems helps us mitigate its impact. Scientists are exploring ways to sequester carbon through reforestation efforts and the development of biofuels. Bioengineering techniques hold promise for creating crops that are more resilient to extreme weather conditions associated with climate change. Biology, combined with other scientific disciplines, offers a pathway toward a more sustainable future. 2. Emerging infections, unveiling mystery pathogens, and combating disease outbreaks. The emergence of new infectious diseases is a constant threat to global health. Biology equips us with the tools necessary to identify and track these pathogens. By studying the evolution and spread of viruses and bacteria, scientists can develop diagnostic tests and vaccines to combat these emerging threats. Furthermore, advancements in our understanding of the human immune system and the development of new biotechnologies like CRISPR hold promise for creating more targeted therapies and eradicating infectious diseases entirely. Biology continues to be at the forefront of the fight against these invisible enemies. 3. Resource management, utilizing biological principles for sustainable practices. The Earth's resources are finite, and sustainable management practices are essential for future generations. Biology helps us understand the natural processes that govern resource availability and utilization. By studying the ecology and population dynamics of renewable resources like fish and timber, biologists can develop sustainable harvest practices that ensure the long-term health of ecosystems. Additionally, advancements in bioremediation techniques utilizing microorganisms offer a promising solution for cleaning up pollution from oil spills and industrial waste. Understanding the biogeochemical cycles of essential elements, like nitrogen and phosphorus, allows us to develop more efficient waste management strategies. Biology provides the scientific foundation for a future where we can meet our needs without compromising the needs of future generations. C. A future filled with possibilities, the ever-evolving landscape of biology. Biology is a dynamic and ever-evolving field that constantly pushes the boundaries of our knowledge. The Human Genome Project, a monumental undertaking that mapped the entire human genetic code, has revolutionized our understanding of health and disease. Similarly, CRISPR, a powerful gene editing technique, holds immense potential for creating new treatments for genetic disorders and even altering human traits in the future. Advances in synthetic biology allow scientists to engineer organisms with specific functions, such as producing biofuels or cleaning up pollutants. The ethical implications of these technologies need careful consideration, but their potential to improve our lives and address environmental challenges is undeniable. By studying other life forms, from extremophiles thriving in harsh environments to the complex ecosystems on other planets, biologists can gain valuable insights into the origin of life and the possibility of life existing elsewhere in the universe. As we delve deeper into the world of biology, we unlock new possibilities for medical advancements, environmental sustainability, and even space exploration. In conclusion, understanding life matters. Biology is not just a collection of facts, it's a powerful tool that has revolutionized our lives and continues to hold the key to a healthier, more sustainable future. As we delve deeper into the intricate workings of the living world, we gain a profound appreciation for the beauty and complexity of life on Earth and pave the way for exciting discoveries that will shape the world to come. The journey of biological exploration is far from over, and the knowledge gained will continue to empower us to address the challenges of the present and chart a course for a brighter future. The scientific method, a guide for exploration. Biology, like all scientific disciplines, thrives on a systematic approach to inquiry. This approach, known as the scientific method, serves as a roadmap for investigation, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of the natural world. It's a process built on observations, curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of answers. At the core, the scientific method as the foundation of biological inquiry. The scientific method isn't a rigid set of rules, but rather a flexible framework that allows for critical thinking and exploration. It revolves around a cycle of steps that guide researchers in formulating questions, conducting experiments, and interpreting data to reach substantiated conclusions. 1. Observation, the spark of curiosity. The journey of scientific discovery often begins with observation. This initial step involves using our senses to gather information about the natural world. We may observe a natural phenomenon, a curious behavior in an organism, or a deviation from the expected. This initial observation sparks a question, a desire to understand the why behind what we've witnessed. 2. Formulating a hypothesis, transforming observations into testable questions. A hypothesis is an educated guess that attempts to explain the observation. It serves as a starting point for further investigation, a tentative answer to the questions sparked by the observation. A well-formulated hypothesis is specific, testable, and falsifiable, meaning it can be proven wrong through experimentation. 3. Designing an experiment, testing the hypothesis. Experiments are the heart of the scientific method. They provide a controlled environment where researchers can test the validity of their hypothesis. A well-designed experiment includes a control group, which acts as a baseline for comparison, and a variable that is manipulated to observe its effect on the outcome. Data is meticulously collected during the experiment, forming the foundation for analysis and interpretation. 4. Data analysis, making sense of the information gathered. The data collected during the experiment requires careful analysis. Researchers employ statistical tools and visualizations to identify patterns, trends, and relationships between variables. This analysis determines whether the data supports or refutes the initial hypothesis. 5. Drawing conclusions, reaching informed decisions based on evidence. Based on the data analysis, scientists reach a conclusion about the validity of the hypothesis. If the data supports the hypothesis, it adds to our existing body of knowledge. However, a hypothesis can also be rejected if the data reveals a different outcome. This doesn't necessarily signify failure. It simply indicates a need to refine the hypothesis and conduct further investigation. 6. Sharing results and building upon knowledge. The scientific process is not an isolated endeavor. Researchers share their findings through publications, peer review, and presentations at conferences. This allows for collaboration, critique, and the building upon existing knowledge. Other scientists can replicate the experiment, build upon its findings, or challenge its conclusions, ultimately leading to a more robust understanding of the phenomenon under investigation. B. Beyond the steps, the essence of scientific inquiry. The scientific method is not a rigid recipe, it's a dynamic and iterative process. Observations may lead to new questions and require the revision of hypotheses. Unexpected results can pave the way for exciting new discoveries. The true essence of scientific inquiry lies in curiosity, critical thinking, and a willingness to adapt and revise based on new information. C. Examples of the scientific method in action, unveiling the mysteries of life. Let's delve into a few examples of how the scientific method has been employed in biology to unravel the mysteries of life. 1. Louis Pasteur and the germ theory of disease. In the 19th century, prevailing belief held that diseases arose spontaneously. Louis Pasteur challenged this notion through observation and experimentation. He observed that broth remained sterile when boiled in sealed flasks, but spoiled when exposed to air. This led to the hypothesis that microorganisms in the air caused the spoilage. Pasteur supported this by conducting experiments with open and sealed flasks, demonstrating that microorganisms, not spontaneous generation, caused the broth to spoil. His work paved the way for the germ theory of disease, revolutionizing medicine. 2. Rosalind Franklin and the structure of DNA. DNA, the molecule that carries the genetic blueprint of life, held its secrets tightly for many years. Using X-ray crystallography, Rosalind Franklin meticulously generated data that provided vital clues about the structure of DNA. While she didn't reach the final conclusion herself, her data, shared with colleagues, proved instrumental in James Watson and Francis Crick's discovery of the double helix structure of DNA, a landmark moment in biology. 3. The development of antibiotics. The fight against infectious diseases has been a constant battle in human history. Alexander Fleming's observation of a mold inhibiting the growth of bacteria sparked a hypothesis that this mold could be a potential weapon against infections. Further experimentation by Fleming and others confirmed this hypothesis, leading to the development of penicillin, the first antibiotic. This discovery ushered in a new era in medicine, saving countless lives and revolutionizing our approach to treating bacterial infections. These are just a few examples of how the scientific method has been used to unlock the secrets of life. Through observation, hypothesis testing, and data analysis, biologists have made groundbreaking discoveries that have shaped our understanding of the natural world and continue to improve our lives. D. Limitations of the scientific method, acknowledging the complexities of life. The scientific method, however powerful, has limitations. Living organisms are complex systems with intricate interactions. Not all biological phenomena can be easily replicated in a controlled laboratory setting. Furthermore, ethical considerations often limit the types of experiments that can be conducted on living organisms. Despite these limitations, the scientific method remains the most reliable tool we have for acquiring knowledge about the natural world. By acknowledging its limitations and employing it judiciously, biologists continue to push the boundaries of our understanding of life. Beyond the laboratory, the importance of observation and experimentation in everyday life. The scientific method isn't confined to the walls of a laboratory. Critical thinking skills and the ability to ask questions, make observations, and analyze information are valuable tools in everyday life. Whether troubleshooting a problem at work, making informed decisions about healthcare, or simply understanding the world around us, the principles of the scientific method empower us to navigate complex situations and make informed choices. In conclusion, the scientific method serves as a cornerstone of biological exploration. This systematic approach to inquiry, fueled by curiosity and critical thinking, allows us to unravel the mysteries of life. Through observation, hypothesis testing, and data analysis, biologists have made remarkable discoveries that have revolutionized our world. While the scientific method has limitations, it remains the most reliable tool we possess for understanding the intricate workings of the living world. As we delve deeper into the fascinating realm of biology, the power of the scientific method will continue to guide us in our journey of discovery. The evolving landscape, biology in the 21st century. Biology, like all scientific disciplines, is constantly evolving. New technologies, groundbreaking discoveries, and a deeper understanding of the natural world are rapidly transforming the field. This part explores some of the exciting frontiers of 21st century biology, where the potential for innovation and progress is limitless. Emerging technologies, ushering in a new era of biological discovery. Advancements in technology are revolutionizing our approach to biological research. Here are a few key areas where these advancements are having a profound impact. 1. The rise of genomics and personalized medicine. The ability to sequence and analyze entire genomes has opened doors to a new era of personalized medicine. By analyzing an individual's genetic makeup, doctors can identify predispositions for diseases, tailor treatment approaches, and even develop preventative strategies. Additionally, research on the human microbiome, the trillions of microorganisms living within us, is revealing their potential impact on health and well-being, paving the way for microbiome-based therapies. 2. Bioinformatics and big data. The ever-increasing amount of biological data generated through research requires sophisticated tools for analysis. Bioinformatics, a field that bridges biology and computer science, utilizes advanced algorithms and computational power to identify patterns and trends within massive datasets. This allows researchers to make new connections, unveil complex relationships within biological systems, and accelerate discovery. 3. The power of imaging techniques. Microscopy has undergone a revolution, allowing us to visualize the inner workings of cells and tissues with unprecedented detail. Techniques like confocal microscopy and electron microscopy provide stunning 3D images, offering invaluable insights into cellular processes and disease mechanisms. Additionally, advancements in medical imaging, such as functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, are helping us understand the human brain and its functions in ways unimaginable just a few decades ago. 4. Synthetic biology. Engineering life for new applications. Synthetic biology represents a paradigm shift in biological research. It allows scientists to manipulate and engineer the genetic makeup of organisms, creating customized organisms with specific functionalities. This technology holds promise for applications such as biofuel production, environmental remediation, and the development of novel drugs and vaccines. B. Exploring the frontiers, unveiling the mysteries of life at different scales. The vast spectrum of life, from the microscopic world of bacteria to the complex ecosystems of our planet, offers endless possibilities for exploration. Let's explore some exciting frontiers within contemporary biology. 1. The quest to understand the origins of life. Biologists are constantly searching for answers to the fundamental question, how did life arise on Earth? Research on early Earth conditions, the exploration of hydrothermal vents, and the study of extremophiles, organisms thriving in extreme environments, offer valuable clues about the origins of life. Additionally, astrobiology, a fascinating interdisciplinary field, investigates the possibility of life existing elsewhere in the universe. 2. Decoding the brain and its mysteries. The human brain is perhaps the most complex biological structure known to us. Neuroscientists are employing a variety of techniques, from electroencephalography, EEG, to brain imaging, to unravel the mysteries of how the brain processes information, generates consciousness, and controls our thoughts and actions. This knowledge holds immense potential for treating neurological disorders and improving our understanding of human behavior. 3. Conservation biology, protecting our irreplaceable biodiversity. With habitat loss, climate change, and other threats pushing countless species towards extinction, the field of conservation biology is crucial. By studying the ecology, behavior, and population dynamics of threatened species, biologists develop conservation strategies to safeguard biodiversity and ensure the health of our planet's ecosystems. 4. The ethical landscape, navigating the challenges of emerging technologies. The rapid advancements in biology raise important ethical questions. Gene editing technologies like CRISPR have the potential to alter human genomes, raising concerns about eugenics and designer babies. Furthermore, the creation of genetically modified organisms and the possibilities of synthetic biology necessitate careful consideration of potential risks and benefits. A critical dialogue involving scientists, ethicists, and policymakers is essential to navigate these complex issues and ensure the responsible development and application of biological technologies. C. Biology for a sustainable future, tackling global challenges through biological understanding. Biology is at the forefront of addressing some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity. Here are some ways biological knowledge and research can contribute to a more sustainable future. 1. Combating climate change. Understanding the impact of greenhouse gases on ecosystems and the role of microorganisms in carbon sequestration is crucial for mitigating climate change. Biological research can help us develop sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels, including biofuels produced from algae or waste materials. Additionally, understanding the impact of climate change on biodiversity can guide conservation efforts and help us build resilience into ecosystems. 2. Ensuring food security. As the global population grows, ensuring food security for all becomes increasingly important. Plant biology research helps develop improved crop varieties with higher yields and resistance to pests and diseases. Additionally, advancements in genetic engineering can create crops with enhanced nutritional value or improved tolerance to harsh environmental conditions. Understanding soil health and the importance of beneficial microbes is crucial for sustainable agricultural practices. 3. Securing access to clean water. Water scarcity is a growing concern globally. Bioremediation techniques utilizing microorganisms can be employed to clean up polluted water sources. Additionally, research on drought-resistant plants and water-efficient irrigation systems can contribute to sustainable water management practices. 4. Developing sustainable materials and energy sources. Biology offers alternatives to traditional, often resource-intensive, materials. Microorganisms can be used to produce bioplastics, a more sustainable alternative to conventional plastics. Additionally, research on biofuels derived from renewable sources and the development of bioenergy technologies like solar and geothermal energy hold promise for a cleaner and more sustainable future. In conclusion, biology is a dynamic and ever-evolving field that holds immense potential for addressing the challenges of the 21st century. From personalized medicine to exploring the origins of life, from tackling climate change to ensuring food security, biology is positioned to make significant contributions in shaping a brighter future for all. As we continue to explore the intricate workings of the living world and harness the power of biological knowledge, we pave the way for a future where science and technology work in harmony with nature, ensuring a sustainable and prosperous world for generations to come. Engaging with biology, a journey of discovery for all. Biology isn't just for scientists in white lab coats. The wonders and complexities of life can be explored and appreciated by everyone. Here are some ways you can embark on your own personal journey of biological discovery. A. Cultivating curiosity, sparkling a lifelong interest in the natural world. Curiosity is the cornerstone of biological exploration. Look around you, observe the world with fresh eyes, and ask questions about the plants and animals that share your environment. Why do leaves change color in autumn? How do birds navigate long distances during migration? These seemingly simple questions can spark a passion for lifelong learning about the natural world. B. Citizen science, contributing to research efforts. Citizen science initiatives offer exciting opportunities for anyone to contribute to ongoing biological research. These projects involve volunteers collecting data on various topics, such as bird populations, insect diversity, or the spread of invasive species. Participation in citizen science projects allows individuals to actively contribute to scientific inquiry and gain valuable first-hand experience about the natural world. C. Exploring the outdoors, a classroom without walls. Nature itself is a magnificent classroom teeming with lessons on biology. Hiking through a forest allows you to observe diverse plant and animal life in their natural habitat. Visiting a local park or nature reserve provides opportunities to identify birds, learn about plant adaptations, and witness the delicate balance of ecosystems. Immersing yourself in nature is a powerful way to connect with the biological world and foster a deeper appreciation for its beauty and complexity. D. The power of reading, delving into the world of biology books and articles. Books and scientific articles offer a wealth of information about every conceivable aspect of biology. From introductory texts to more specialized publications, there's a vast array of resources available to pique your curiosity and broaden your understanding of the natural world. Reading about groundbreaking discoveries, the lives of inspiring biologists, or the fascinating adaptations of different organisms can fuel your passion for biology and open doors to further exploration. E. The world at your fingertips, learning through online resources. The internet provides a treasure trove of information and resources related to biology. Educational websites, online courses, and interactive simulations can help you visualize complex biological processes and learn about current research endeavors. Documentaries, podcasts, and online lectures by renowned biologists offer engaging ways to learn about various topics in the field. The online world is a valuable tool for anyone interested in expanding their knowledge of biology. F. The value of museums and zoos, interactive learning experiences. Museums and zoos offer immersive learning experiences for people of all ages. Interactive exhibits, dioramas showcasing diverse ecosystems, and opportunities to observe a wide range of animals can spark curiosity and ignite a passion for biology. Educational programs offered by museums and zoos can provide in-depth information about specific topics and foster a deeper understanding of the natural world. Engaging with biology doesn't require a laboratory or advanced equipment. By cultivating curiosity, participating in citizen science, exploring the outdoors, immersing yourself in educational resources, and visiting museums and zoos, individuals can embark on a transformative journey of discovery. In conclusion, the study of biology is not confined to the realm of professional scientists. By fostering curiosity, engaging with nature, and utilizing the vast resources available, everyone can become a citizen scientist and participate in the ongoing exploration of the living world. As we delve deeper into the fascinating world of biology, a sense of wonder and appreciation for the natural world is nurtured, fostering a deep connection with the intricate web of life that sustains us all.